Hello, my dears. Welcome back. Good morning. In our previous module, we have started writing section C, and you were watching article writing. So, article plays very important role to provoke or to aware or to beware our audiences. Okay, their audiences. Any issue related to the society. Okay, means issue relevance from society can write in the article. Okay, the article writer especially drag drag our concentration and focus relevance on social issues. Okay, they can easily write social issues. They can write on social issues, and they make us aware and beware uh, on our society's condition and situation. Okay, so sometimes their articles bring a revolutionary change in our society. That's why article plays very important role. Okay, they write their article. Okay, they write their article. Okay, in a magazine. Okay, from where we can get the article? In newspaper, in weekly magazine, or in books. Okay, or in journals. Okay, so we can see the article, we can watch article. An article plays important role. Okay, the well-renowned article writer, okay, just always drag our attention what is going on in our society and what changes the society needed. Okay, they pay their attention on the changes. Okay, on the changes that society needs. Okay, so they work for a criticizer. They criticize for some policies which is not good for public welfare. Okay, so that's why article plays very important role. Okay, for our country, for society. So we must watch the article. So article can be written on different subject. Okay, the subject can be political, religious, okay, and social, economical, okay, cultural. So on any subject, okay, the article can be written. Okay, for awareing the people, for bewailing people, for making people careful and aware. Okay, so we have seen one article in our last class. Article should be formal. Okay, and wording should be impressive. Okay, just keep a proper sentences. The sentences should be unified in article while making the article. Okay, and if we talk about the body of the article, so we start from heading. Okay, on the top heading, on the top we keep heading or title. Then after heading and title we keep byline. Okay, and after byline we divide our article's main body in two parts. The one is introduction and the number two is the main body. Okay, number two is the body in which we want to draw the attention of audience, the attendance of audience towards the problem. Okay, towards the subject, towards the theme or topic. And at last we conclude the article and we summing up the article by our suggestions. Okay, so it is about article. Okay, we are going to see two more article in this module. Let's start. Number one, if we talk about facing life's difficulty. So my friend, life is full of big of difficulties. Everyone has to just check and face the challenges and hurdles and obstacles coming in our life. Okay, we try to defeat them. Okay, we cannot hide, okay, ourselves from difficulties or challenges. Okay, it is must to face them all the time. We should be ready. Okay, make yourself strong. Okay, and you should keep constant. You should keep quiet. Okay, keeping the contentment in yourself and try to face the hurdle or obstacle in life. The life is not easy, my friend. Okay, life is very tough to deal. But if you are courageous, okay, if you take risk in your life, if you're a hard worker and you have laborious power, so you can deal with any challenges of life. You can easily deal with any hurdle from life. Okay, so let's start. We'll check. Okay, so life is a mixed bag of happiness and tough time. Yes, sometimes we have happiness, sometimes tough time. We face both the things. Okay, our life is a mixed bag of happiness and tough times. Okay, one cannot know what success test. Okay, like without expressing failure, and happy times cannot be cherished without facing the tough period in life. Yes, it's sure. Okay, you are winning all the time, but your winning is not giving you that kind of merriment that you can find, that you can achieve after defeating. Okay, so after defeating, the merriment which you get, okay, gives you the test better than always winning. Okay, so when we defeat, when we lose, so from our failure we should learn. We should learn from our failure. Okay, and we should avoid the mistake that was the cause of our last failure. We should avoid it. Okay. So sometimes failure is good for us. Sometimes failure is also good for us, my dear. Okay, and we should not lose our patience. You should not be disappointed while facing problem in your life. Okay, and difficulties and the hurdle taught you to be strong. Okay, so we are not okay. Our hurdles are the unwelcome guest they intrude on in our life. Okay, so a positive attitude. We should keep positive attitude all the time. You should be positive. Okay, all the time. You keep your attitude positive because positiveness gives you the strength to fight, to deal any hurdle or any challenge or any threat. Okay, so you should just move ahead and you should keep your positive attitude because your positive attitude works for you like a shield. Okay, to protect you from any external attack, external or internal attack. Okay, so a grateful attitude and patience are a must. Yes, patience. Have patience. You should not be impatient. Okay, in a small issue, you should be patience. You should have patience all the time. Okay, you should keep it. You should maintain it. Okay, in your life, and counting our blessings and being patient when everything flows in the opposite direction is very important. Yes, if in your life everything is going opposite, so in that situation also you should maintain the patience. Okay, you should keep concentrate uh, in life. You should not be impatient, otherwise maybe you mislead and you join any wrong path. That's why you should keep patience in your life. Patience is must. Okay, you should be hopeful, my dear, all the time. You should be optimistic, should not be pessimistic. Okay, and you must have firm faith in God and its superiority. Almighty will bless you or grace you, okay, in your every hurdle or challenges, and will give you the power to defeat, okay, any hurdle or challenge. Okay, so we should ready to face any tough time coming in our life. Okay, always keep your hopes up. Yes, you should be hopeful, not to disappoint, okay, at any moment, and never lose faith, okay, in yourself. Remember that there is always a dawn after a dark night. Yes, you have heard this. Okay, and it's true. Okay, if there is darkness in your life, so it must be sunshine next day, because after every dark night there is a darkness. After every dark night there is sunshine. Okay, there is a sunshine happen after every dark night. You should be optimistic, should not be pessimistic. Okay, you should get the firm faith in God. Okay, definitely your life will turn, your challenges will defeat. Okay, your challenges kneel down before you and never try to come to you, because you are not like the person who don't like to face any hurdle or challenges. You welcome, okay, you welcome the challenge or threat, because you have that ability and capability and surplus strength to defeat anything or any hurdle or any challenge. Okay, so it was about facing life difficulties. Then next we'll talk about bullet train, our second topic. Bullet train, yes, India dream for bullet train. Okay, India dream for bullet train. Okay, who brought this project? Our Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, brought this project from Japan. Okay, at very low interest. Okay, so before 2 years, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe came to our city. Okay, came to our country and visit with our Prime Minister, great Prime Minister. They went to Ahmedabad, they went to this Ganga Ghat, just watching the Aarti. And then they declared, they have signed an agreement to give India bullet train before 2022. So we have a dream, okay, when we have 15 August, okay, our Independence Day, our great Independence Day in 2020, okay, 2022, okay. So in that year, on that occasion, okay, we will give, our government will give, they present the gift to countrymen, bullet train, okay. So bullet train will reduce our time and distance. The bullet train will run very fast, maybe more than 350 kilometer. It started from Gujarat to Maharashtra, means Valsad to Mumbai. And bullet train will reduce the distance and time hours. So it will be a revolutionary change in our country's history when our bullet train would run on its track, okay, by 350 kilometers per hour speed, okay. And the train will collect Gujarat to Mumbai, okay. Why they started Gujarat to Mumbai first? Because these areas are initial capital of business, okay. So then our business and trade can be increase, okay, in a short time, okay. And it gives the strength, it will give to our interest, it will give the strength to our economy, okay, after running it on the track, okay. So we have bullet train, okay, bullet train by Karan Sachdev, okay. So India's first bullet train will run, okay, between Ahmedabad to Mumbai, okay. The speed will be 350 kilometers per hour, and it will cover 508 kilometers, okay, in 3 hours. Yes, 508 kilometers in 3 hours. The bullet train will run, okay. So it is an ambitious project, and it is a dream, okay. It was a dream, but now it came to reality, okay. It would flourish in 2022, okay, in 2022, okay. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi have assigned a project with Prime Minister of Japan, okay, Shinzo Abe. And what would be the cost? So all around cost would be 1.10 lakh crore, okay. 1.10 lakh crore. It means 88,000 crore, okay. They are going to invest in this project. But what interest we are going to pay? Only 0.01% per annum, 0.01%. Okay, you see our foreign policy, we are best in our foreign policy. That's why we have given this surprise, we have given this opportunity, okay, from Japan, okay. So we are really thankful for them, okay, and we are really thankful for our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it was about 2 articles. We'll see next concept in next video. Thank you very much.